Today we're going on a trip down memory lane, back when I was taking over 30 shots a day and hiding behind the title of high-functioning alcoholic. You know, at that time I thought that I was living my absolute best life, and in reality I was in a hospital bed, struggling for survival and begging for death. I was the one on the brink of complete liver failure. And yeah, some people call me a medical anomaly. That's because most people don't survive, and if they do, they don't make it past 1 year. Guess what? I didn't just survive, I thrived. And it was science that played the biggest role in my healing journey. You see, our bodies are magnificent machines. Our minds are quantum computers. Everything you've ever seen has come from a mind no smarter than yours. That is proof that we are capable of incredible healing and permanent recovery, especially when it comes to the brain and its ability to harness the power of neuroplasticity. That's your brain's ability to completely rewire itself and adapt. I didn't just quit drinking. I completely rewired my brain not to crave alcohol ever. I am proof that relapse is not inevitable. I don't identify as sober. I let go of dependency 6 years ago. That wasn't easy. It took daily commitment and absolute resilience. Every single day since July 2017, I've chosen myself, my recovery, my healing over a temporary escape into an alternate reality. I choose me. So if you're out there struggling, I want you to remember this. Change is possible. Permanent healing is possible, and all it takes is that first step. And if you're here, man, we're all in this together. It's your journey. It is your story. Feel free to adapt or rewrite the script as it suits you. If you or someone you know can use some support, just know I've already paved the road. All you have to do is take the first step.